Cheesemakers, today we present to you the new Bharbjt portioning knife, which will improve and speed up your work. Thanks to the experience gathered through over 60 years in the business, our company has developed this new product whose design has been patented. The innovative L shape, along with the perfect sharpness of the blade, allows easy, quick and waste-free cutting of wheels of cheese. The two handles, which are at different heights, allow the necessary force to be applied in order to cut more evenly. The graduated scale engraved on the blade allows the center of the wheel to be identified more easily. With the new model, it is possible to cut wheels up to 50 centimeters in diameter and 12 centimeters in thickness. There are two versions available, with the handle in plastic or wood. It's effortless. With the new Bharbjt portioning knife, cutting will be easier, saving time and energy. For more information, visit our website www.bharbjt.com.